The next question is a repeat question. Those who have done the PYQs from the app, I'm sure you've all marked it correctly. All you have to do is give the patient some rest by reducing the mouth opening. Now, let me show you some screenshots of the notes where we have taught you exactly this concept in the recorded class, in the live class, and we have given you the notes of the same. A child with cleft lip and palate comes to you. This is a PYQ which is repeated. Any child who is born with cleft lip and palate, there is a sequence of surgeries. It's a repeat question. We all have learned it. Just a quick recap from the notes. Palate surgery is always done from 9 to 18 months. Which of these is correct? Now, this is purely a concept based question. Again, coming back to the notes, where we have discussed the basics of fracture management.
Which of the following has the maximum malignant potential? This question we have been revising this since our live classes, direct pick from our BBMCI notes. We have been studying since our classes. So option number A is the correct answer. Okay, they are just asking in which syndrome do you see all of these features? And we have this direct pick from the notes.
Profit and Ackermann classification of malocclusion. Now this was an image-based question. We have studied Profit and Ackermann classification in the notes. So autotransplantation is a procedure where one tooth is replaced by the other tooth within the same mouth itself. So we have already talked about this in the live and recorded lecture. Next question, again an image-based question. You can help me out with the options. Cervical vertebra is seen in a lateral cephalogram. If we are rectangular stage with much more deepened concavity, then C6 will be the answer. So this is a subjective question basically.